Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing a full face of affordable drugstore makeup, creating this fall plum matte look. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not hit that subscribe button, girl, what you waiting for? That helps my channel out. It helps your girl out. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So my face is already moisturized. I am going to be going in with a new primer today. So this primer is actually by Candy, and this is their hydrating primer, 12-hour makeup grip, plumps, moisturize, and perfects the skin. It looks like this. I've never even tried this before, but it's been sitting in my collection, and I keep trying to do a new drugstore makeup, but the color looks just like the Milk makeup. I think this is supposed to be like a dupe for that. Oh, it feels nice. It doesn't have a smell. It feels really nice and loose. It's not as thick as the e.l.f. grip primer. I may have used a lot. Have you tried this before? Comment down below if you tried this Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer or any of the Candy primers. Foundation today. We're going to be going in with the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation, the dewy one, and I'm in the shade Toffee. I have a review here on my channel testing this out, so make sure you check it out up here in the cards. This has a wand on the foundation similar to the Rare Beauty, and if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you check it out as well. I'll have it in the description box below. But I don't know, what are your thoughts on foundations that have wands? Me personally, I don't really like it that much, but I try not to let it bother me too much. So yeah, girl, today I just wanted to come on here and kind of do my makeup just really quick, but a fall look as well, because I am trying to get you guys out some additional fall looks while we're in this season. What is your favorite season of the year? Mine is fall. So yes, girl. And just a little chit chat type of video if I can, multitask and do my makeup and talk to y'all at the same time. But girl, how is your week going? How is everything going with if you have kids or children that are, doing school from home? Oh, comment down below if your workplace is trying to come up with a plan or a strategy to get you guys to come back into the office. Comment down below with that. I know some companies are trying to work on that, but what are your thoughts on that? What are your thoughts on, going back to work physically as opposed to working remotely and all that jazz? So for concealer, I was torn in between the two. I have the Revlon Candid concealer and the Loreal Infallible. I think I don't even know. The Loreal Infallible, these are both too light, so I think I'm gonna go on with the Loreal Infallible. Maybe I'll mix the two to see. Yeah, the Candid one is so light. I got this one in the wrong shade. I have it in the shade Creme Brulee, and the Infallible, I have it in Amber 385. So I'm just gonna stick with the Amber 385 because the Revlon one is extremely light. So now that our concealer is on, I'm gonna go ahead and set everything. So I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder in the shade Light to set under my eyes. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna be going in with this Nabla Cosmetics pressed powder, and this is in the shade Medium. I've only have a couple of their powders, and I've tried them out, and I like how they set the face. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this. I've also been, I cleaned my brushes, some of them. The other ones I'll come back to, but we, making progress. Cause girl, when it comes to cleaning my brushes, I don't be having the energy. I don't feel like it, but comment down below if you if you take some time to clean your brushes. So I definitely wanna bring you guys different types of content, and I've been writing things down and praying about it and seeing where I should do things here on my channel. But it definitely helps me out when you guys do suggest different videos that you're interested in watching and seeing. So make sure you let me know that down below, what other type of videos you would like to see. I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches. This is one of my favorite affordable bronzers. So yeah, I just want to, you know, bring additional content and like content that you guys want to see here on my channel. And getting you guys feedback definitely helps out for sure. For blush, I'm going to go into the Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright You Are Gold palette. And I'm going to go into this here, the shade here. It just has 1, 2, and 3. There's not a shade on it, but I will tell you that this thing is super pigmented. So a little goes a long way. I try to light hand press it into the skin like so. All right, so for eyes today, I'm gonna go into this Makeup Revolution and Patricia Bright palette. I haven't used this palette in a while, so I figured why not just create a cool fall look using this palette. So we're gonna go in with this. Now that I've cleaned my brushes, like I said, I can actually, you know, do a quick look. So probably gonna do like 2 simple shades to keep this like a simple fall affordable makeup look. So, and this can be beginner friendly as well. So just starting out to, I think I'm gonna do a plum look. I'm going to go in with Workaholic, which is this shade here, and just dust that all over the eyes. Place that all over the eye and bringing it up to the crease. Y'all, when it's time to record videos, I don't know why when it comes to like creating looks, I'm like, what should I do? But when I do eye looks off camera, they come out so bomb, and it's like, I couldn't even capture that on camera. Workaholic all over the lid, dusting it into the crease as well. I'm gonna use the same brush. This is a BH Cosmetics brush that I got in a set, a like rose gold set. I found that set at Burlington a while ago. So now I'm just gonna wipe off this color just a little bit off on a paper towel. And I'm gonna go into No Games Played, which is like the shade next to this in this palette. I talked about this palette in the past, like when it first came out. I'm just gonna place that in the corners here. Actually, I'm gonna go all over the lid with it. Trying to think if I should just keep it matte like this, or if I should put a shimmer. Oh, decisions. I don't know, you guys. You know what? Let's do a full matte look. I'm gonna do a full matte look. I don't think I've done a full matte fall look here on my channel so far this year, so let's do it. Maybe I'll add some shimmer in the in a corner. Now taking a clean brush, nothing on it. This is the Profusion Pointed Crease Eyeshadow Brush in ES3. I purchased this one from Walmart. And I'm just gonna blend out that, like, just gonna blend out this upper part here just so it's not so harsh. But I am bringing it quite high up. I wanted to talk about this liner in my last few videos, but I keep forgetting to mention it. So this is a Black-owned brand, The Makeup Plug. I'll have her Instagram down below, but this is actually a liner slash eyelash glue. Y'all, when I say, first of all, the packaging is super cute. It has her brand on there. And then the pointed tip is like this. So if you are a beginner and trying to learn how to do wing liner, I am not the best at doing it like quick and wing is looking nice. But this right here has helped me as far as like getting a little semi-wing, as well as allowing my lash glue to dry quickly and just prop them on, and boom, I'm done with applying false lashes. So if you're interested in, you know, adding a little thin line, but also attaching your lashes to make, you know, your lashes stick to your lashes, because it is a glue slash eyeliner, maybe check her out. Like I said, I'll link her Instagram down below. It is not harsh on the eye. I have sensitive eyes, so This does not allow my eyes to turn red, get swollen, or anything like that. And I really, really like this liner because I'm quick with putting my false lashes on. So, speaking of false lashes, I'm going to be going in with the Kala 3D Faux Mink Witless Volume and Curl Lashes. These are in the style Noir. I picked up this pack. They were on the clearance rack at TJ Maxx for $8, and you get 4 in the pack, but look how luxurious they are. I've talked about Kala lashes before, and I reuse these so many times. I'm about to reuse this bottom pair right here. So I'm gonna pop these on, and I'm gonna come right back and we'll finish the face. Lashes are on, a little bit of the liner I've done as well off camera, but y'all need to try this liner slash eyelash glue out. It is amazing. Again, Instagram will be linked in the description box below. So on the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go in with Pure Soul, which is this plum shade here, and I'm just going to, you know, smoke out the bottom lash line. And for the bottom lashes, I'm going to go in with this L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara. This is in the shade Black. And in the inner corner, because I just have to add some type of shimmer in the corner. So I'm going to go into, I'm gonna go into Perfection. So these shades here are really like the texture is very like smushy, like creamy, but I'm just gonna pop that here. This looks really good so far. What do you guys think? Let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the face. I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray, and I'm gonna just go ahead and spray. Okay. Change of plans. Since this is a fall makeup look, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Cinnamon Spice Matte Lipstick, and it looks like this. I have a video here of me sharing with you guys these affordable lipsticks. They were like $3, and girl, they are a true matte, and I said they were dupes to the Pat McGrath. I think I'm gonna mix it with the Cherry Bomb, which is more of a deeper purple on the outline. Yeah, that looks a lot better. This is the Cherry Bomb, and this one is Cinnamon Spice. So check out that video if you haven't heard my thoughts on this, but thumbs up for those. And for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with the oldie but a goodie. It's one of my favorite affordable highlighters. This is the shade Pose loose highlighter with Colourpop and Makeup Shayla. So this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy matte affordable makeup look with a little bit of chit chat here and there. Eventually I probably got quiet. I'll see when I go to record this. But I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit, but make sure you interact down below. I love it when you guys are talking to me. It makes me feel so special. So if you enjoyed this super easy, like cranberry, smoky, plummy, affordable makeup look, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.